Hello, in this video I'll show you how to configure and use Getpaid recurring commissions in Affiliate Press. First, go to the Affiliate Press add-ons page. This is the Affiliate Press add-ons page. Here you can see all the available Affiliate Press feature add-ons. Now click the Activate button on the Recurring Commissions add-on to activate it. The Recurring Commissions add-on has been activated successfully. Now click the Configure button to continue. This is the Affiliate Press Commission Settings page. Enable the Recurring Commissions option. Here you can configure the recurring commission rate and the recurring commission limit based on your requirements. You can set the recurring commission as either a fixed amount or a percentage. We've configured the recurring commission rate to 5% and set the recurring commission limit to 2. This means the affiliate will receive the regular commission on the customer's first purchase based on the affiliate's commission rate. After that, if the customer renews the subscription, the affiliate will receive a 5% recurring commission for the next 2 renewals. After configuring the settings, click the Save button to save your changes. As you can see, the changes have been saved successfully. Now go to the Integrations tab. This is the Affiliate Press Integrations page. Here you can see all the supported integrations. Now enable the Getpaid integration, then click the Save button to save your changes. As you can see, the changes have been saved successfully. Now let's create a Getpaid subscription product. To do that, go to the Getpaid Items page. This is the Getpaid Items page. Here you can view all your Getpaid items. You can either create a new product or edit an existing one. Next, change the product data type from Simple Product to Simple Subscription. After that, configure a recurring charge for this item. Here you can see the Minimum Referrals, Free Trial, and Days options. Select the Minimum Referrals option according to your requirements. Then click the Update button. As you can see, the product has been updated successfully. Now go to the Affiliate Press Affiliates page to continue the setup. This is the Affiliate Press Affiliates page. Select the affiliate you want to use for the purchase, verify the affiliate's commission rate, and then copy the affiliate link. The link has been copied successfully. Now go to the front-end Getpaid page. This 78 TED earlier. This is the product checkout page. Enter the required information, then select your preferred payment method. Enter your card details, then click the Pay Now button. As you can see, the subscription product has been purchased successfully. Return to the back end and open the commission page. This is the Manage Commissions page. Here you can view all the commission records generated for your affiliates. As you can see, the previous commission record is displayed here. Now wait until the next day and check the commissions page again to verify the recurring commission. As you can see, the latest commission record has been added successfully. Since the recurring commission rate is configured as 5%, this commission is half of the initial 10% commission. That's it. This is how to configure and use Getpaid recurring commissions in Affiliate Press.